Understanding towing rules under the rules of the road, or ROR, is crucial for safe navigation on the water. Today, we're diving into Rule 24, which specifically addresses the shapes and lights for towing and towed vessels. This is essential knowledge for anyone involved in maritime activities. First, let's break down Rule 24. When a vessel is towing another, it must display specific shapes and lights to ensure visibility and safety. The towing vessel is required to show a special configuration of lights. At night, it should display two vertical lights, a white light on top and a yellow light below. This combination signals to other vessels that it is engaged in towing. During the day, the towing vessel must display a diamond shape, which is a clear indicator of its towing status. Now, what about the towed vessel? It has its own set of requirements. A towed vessel must show a single white light at the stern, which helps other vessels identify its position. If the towed vessel is over 20 meters in length, it should also display a second white light at the bow. This ensures that both the towing and towed vessels are clearly marked and identifiable, especially in low visibility conditions. Let's talk about special cases. If the towing vessel is towing more than one vessel, it must display additional lights. In this scenario, the towing vessel should still show the two vertical lights, but it must also display a white light at the stern of each towed vessel. This is crucial for maintaining clarity and safety on the water, as it allows other vessels to gauge the length and configuration of the tow. Another important aspect to consider is the situation when a vessel is not under command or is aground. If a towing vessel finds itself in either of these scenarios, it must display two red lights in a vertical line. This signals to other vessels that it cannot maneuver, and they should exercise caution when navigating nearby. Now, let's summarize the best practices for towing vessels. Always ensure that your lights are functioning properly before setting out. Regular checks can prevent dangerous situations on the water. Familiarize yourself with the shapes and lights required for both the towing and towed vessels, and make sure your crew understands these signals as well. Communication is key. Use radio communication to inform other vessels of your intentions, especially when navigating in busy areas. In conclusion, understanding and adhering to the towing rules as per ROR is vital for safe maritime operations. By following these guidelines, you not only ensure your safety, but also the safety of others on the water. Stay informed, stay safe, and navigate responsibly.